Kisamla ke Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress haka khandru tering mentau benai. Kilo ong baka jing Bamsap lani ke corruption haka jala Meghalaya kala long ka bajur bha. Haba ikran beginau thok khobor kini kisamla kila penpau baka ni ke jing Bamsap kala don hajan Baroh ki Tnad office Jong ke Sorkar Jylla. Hendreu menteri rang ba apar uyada ne penkesan haka jaka ban shim ye kilat penchitam.
We, the Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress, have come here today because, as we can see, that corruption is rampant in our state currently. If we speak of any state department, we will find manipulation and corruption happening in a big way. And our Chief Minister will be defending very loudly instead of penalizing and fixing responsibilities. And recently, we have seen reports by the media itself of the many departments in which corruption was very blatant, whether it's the Home Department, the police, health, education, power, social welfare, and PWD. But today, we, the Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress, would like to place our focus on the collapse of the dome. Lately, our Chief Minister has mentioned that the dome of the Assembly collapsed due to the weight of the structure. Here, we would like to ask the Chief Minister to place the inquiry report made by IIT Guwahati in a public domain so that we may be aware of the reality behind the collapse. And whom is he trying to save by stating that the dome collapsed due to the structure? Rather than enlighten, the Chief Minister rebuts by requesting others to do their homework before we accuse. We would say again that there is rampant corruption in the construction of the Assembly building, where it has been noticed that there is a clear failure in maintaining the technical design structure, which was seriously compromised by the contractor.
Ya ka tender ya kontrak ayo da ka UPRNN bakal adan ku ka clause 39.1 jong ka tender condition ka ong sepang ka subletting dan subcontracting ka UPRNN kam la ban ai palat 60% ka kam saki subcontract ki subcontract ni ka dum jongi ketika BRC badirai construction kami ni bagi implement tang 10% ka implement 4% ni ketika kam hantai hapo jong dum jongi te ki ong ru ba kani ka BRC initially for apply tender ki ong belaksa reject in the first place na ka PWD ka BRC ka yo pentri hantai ding ba ka backdoor channel ka jongki ka UPRNN ka use ka BRC ka use ka credentials jong UPRNN baka nyo tre hantai ka dum hantai kani ka ju ka firm ka BRC ka pentri ki kam apo te ka pulo supermarket commercial complex ka pentri ki surok apo bajeng doba ka pentri ka sport complex apo tura tingi kani BRC ka figure sepang apo ki kam po Meghalaya te kani ka MPC building bang senaman taru ka pentri ka BRC tingi lingo balada ka firm ka balong la ban blacklist kani firm do bahap dum ni maring baki drawings pengin EP siben ila i ba kani ka firm kampat long qualified ban trainee kam kablingo long balik yo syo kam bani week state bani week kiri na training firm sa blacklist cikumno kayo kani undue favor na ka sarkar ka jongi te kabalingo kalong ba UCM hapor bu ai kani ka press conference ka jongu bu state bitang katahi bat na itna ka jinglong confident jong UCM peringkat ni ka jing kulma ba keren su ka jing kulma ka jing pra ka dom azang keren spang ban puntai biang ya ta ki CGI sheets ni ta ki mosaic ni ta ki ge ya ban pecho ka dom kalong kani ka assembly jongi ka building kalong safe ni Kaya ba munta kalong safe pilihat kuno tak kata ka method pinon kam man pentikna ba ka building ni safe at the same time kajinglong ki brush everything under the carpet ki shomi ba kata ka building jungi khiap lo udum jadi designer sigi ki ba la jutre uni ju udum kung ni jai ba kham he ki ba kham yu bun ki jaka lilap ni makani report ba ka don ka ba halindan ka bangi pe ba porok ki pe ba ki no antingi tiling ba ki ba tho ki jing lap jungi ni report nilap ba huge scale corruption ka dan bai but ba smusi kalong ba uba de page of the page ka kamantai kum project management consultants taw le election na kan ka seng jong u chief minister jongi kadon ka jingya pendarap jot jing tap miao ya ka kam ka ba kerpang ka ba kongsan po ka state jongi